This is a great little math trick. In almost every MCA test, I think I've seen a question like this. Okay? It's confusing, but it doesn't have to be. A mathematical diversion sometimes used to amaze and amuse people is the creation of a black hole for a certain number. You ask your subjects to take any number, go through some mathematical manipulations, and then you will magically tell them the remainder. Here is one such black hole for the number 3. Okay? So, the first way to do this is just to pick any number.
10.
I try to pick them smaller.
I took 6.
6? All right, so we're going to pick a number 6. And now we're going to go right down the row here. Be careful how you write this. So pick any number. We did multiply. I suppose that's supposed to be an it. Multiply it by 20. So I'm going to put a parenthesis. 20. Okay? So I did that one. And now I'm going to do what?
15.
So I'm going to add 15. Okay? And then I'm going to divide the whole thing by what?
5.
So I'm going to divide the whole thing by 5. I did that one. And here comes the tricky one. Subtract 4 times the number you picked. So I want to subtract 4 times the number I picked. So let's see what happens here. 6 times 20 is 120. Plus 15 divided by 5 minus, I'm going to make that 24, okay? What is 120 plus 15? 135 divided by 5 minus 24. What is 135 divided by 5?
27.
27. So 27 minus 24 equals 3.
Wow.
It worked, right? But that's not the question they're asking you. Show that this will work for any positive number. Explain your answer using algebraic expressions.
Just did.
Well, we kind of did. We showed it worked for what number?
6.
I need to show it for all positive numbers. So here's the key.
Oh,
Let x equal any positive number, right? So wherever you see a 6 in our little thing up here, what should we put in?
X.
Let's put in the x. Okay? X. X. That will get you halfway through the question. They'll probably give you enough points just to pass it, just by doing that. Now we're going to rewrite it. We're going to simplify. What's x times 20?
X.
20x. I'll do this in a different color so you can see what I'm doing. X times 20 is 20x plus 15 over 5 minus what? 4x. Okay. Now what's that equal every time? Equals 3. Now we have to solve this for x. Okay? This is where it gets difficult. I'm going to multiply everything by 5 because I'm going to get rid of this denominator. So I have 20x plus 15 minus 20x equals 15.
You don't even have to do that.
So now what happens?
Go across.
What happened to 20x's?
You can't subtract.
They disappear. What am I left with? True.
I got 3 equals 3 on mine.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure you. What did you do on yours?
I just threw the 15 and 20 together, divided by 5, then took the 20x and 4x minus, which gave you 3x equals 3.
3x equals 3x?
The x's are canceled.
Well, if you have 3x equals 3x, you're left with 1 equals 1, which is true. And that's all they're really asking for on that one. Now, my recommendations to you for when you see a problem like this, do what I just did here. Go right through the steps, write everything you did, go back. Here's the key. Let x equal any positive number and plug it in. Okay?